Type the number and align it in the center of the canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer, and change the color of this text. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Make 4 columns and 1 row. Select the rectangle tool. Select Shape. Pick a fill color. And select No Color for the stroke. Make a rectangle that covers the first 3 columns. Make a new rectangle in the 3rd column. Change the fill to gradient. Make the left color stop the same color as the big rectangle. And make the right color stop white. Make the angle 45 degrees. Move the left color stop towards the center. Place the top text layer in between the 2 rectangle layers. Select both the rectangle layers and the text layer. Right-click on them and select Merge Layers. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Select the 4th column. And press the Delete key to remove the text in this area. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. You can now remove the guidelines. Go to Edit. Free Transform. Right-click on the selected shape. And select Warp. Move the anchor point in the top right corner towards the center. Move the other anchor points until you're happy with the effect. Click on the FX icon, and select Drop Shadow. You can copy the settings I used. And that's how you create this effect.